Oh, this is Lee from Total Parts Pro. Today we're at 2024 Mazda CX-30, stock number 6640. This ran from the 10th 2019 to the current shape. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, left front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door mirror, left hand and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.